What's good, everybody? I just cracked a monster, and it's Labor Day. So happy Labor Day to everybody out there. Labor Day 2023. So I'm feeling extra motivated now because of the Monster energy drinks. So I have these. They're green neon lights off an old project. These are old AF street glows. Back when street glows were reasonably priced. And I remember my old car had a whole street glow kit on it. Underbody, interior lighting, grills, the works, And it was $200 maybe. Have you seen the prices on street glow lately? Oh my God, it's nuts. So what I'm thinking is we need some glow on the inside. Okay, so you can see there's one of the bars. Hold the carpet back. There's the wire for it right there. Okay. And don't mind the messy floorboards. My vacuum it died. I need a new one. There's the other one, and there's the wires in question that need to be hooked up. But I do have, I got the green glow behind the grill of the Jeep, which is hooked to this toggle switch right here. So we're gonna hook. I want it running off one switch. I don't want a million switches in this Jeep. Here at A.M.L Designs, we are zip tie master certified. Okay, so we zip tie it out. Okay, so we have it here. The one bar is right here, and there's our little, I guess you could call it a ballast box. That's where all the magic happens. To power the lights. This is just temporary. Both of them are in a temporary spot right now until I can get my double-sided sticky tape, which I am fresh out of, unfortunately.